Today we are learning about, we're covering lesson 35, which is naming mixed numbers and money. First off, you need to understand what a mixed number is. It is a whole number and a fraction. Sometimes we will have amounts where we have a whole number and then we have part. And so we call these mixed numbers. Here are a few examples. We have two circles and a fourth of a circle is shaded. And so a mixed number would look like this. This is our whole number. I'm going to write this in blue. This is our whole number is 2. And then the fraction part is 1/4. And we call it, like I say, this is why it's called a mixed number. Our other example, we've got 3 wholes and then 1/2. And our final example here is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this is divided up in, so we have 4 wholes, and then to determine what the fraction is, we have 3 pieces, so that's our denominator, and then we have 2 of those 3 pieces that are shaded, so it's 4 2/3. Another thing that you need to know in this lesson is how we show when we have dollars and cents. There are 2 different ways. We can first do a decimal point, and this would be considered 12 cents, or we can do 12 cents, 12 with the little cent mark. But you need to note, they're going to try and trick you, where they will say 12 cents. This is not correct. This is wrong. Saxon tries to pull that on certain tests. So now that you know that what they're trying to trick you on, you will avoid this mistake. You have to pick one or the other. Our last thing, this is not terribly common these days, but it is important that you understand how to write a check. This is a check thing. We first write the date. I'm going to just write 8/20/20. In the date, we write the amount, and it's usually in a box. And when I write the amount, I'm going to make this box a little bigger. When I write the amount, I write so that it won't be forged. I'm going to say that I'm writing this for $100.30. Well, $110.30. And I put I'm going to make this bigger so you can see it. I do 30/100. That lets people know that they're not going to mess with the amount. Then I write who I'm paying this to, and I'm going to say I'm paying this to Dr. Morgan, my dentist. And then I write out the amount, and this is where it's important for you to understand how to write your words, how to write numbers into word form. So I write this, I say 110. Remember, we don't put the and then I write and I go 30/100. And then, I don't know if you've watched checks, they do this. They make a little line. That's so that people won't go add 100,030 cents, or they won't keep adding onto the amount. So it's to tell the bank, this is what I really want to spend. This is what I really want you to take out of my account. Finally, you can make a note. This was for cleanings. And then we write our name. We sign it. And if you don't know how to do your signature yet, I am so excited because we are practicing a lot of cursive and you will have a beautiful signature. So, remember mixed numbers, money, how to write a check. I will see you at the practice set.